How can I delete or edit my Instagram highlights?
Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to delete or edit your Instagram highlights. Instagram highlights are a great way to showcase your favorite stories and keep them on your profile for longer than 24 hours. However, if you want to make changes or remove certain highlights, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started.
Deleting an Instagram highlight.
Deleting an Instagram highlight is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device and go to your profile page. 2. Below your bio, you'll see the highlights section with circular icons representing each of your highlights. 3. Tap and hold the highlight you want to delete until a menu pops up. 4. In the menu, select the Delete Highlight option. 5. Instagram will prompt you to confirm the deletion. Tap Delete to confirm. That's it. The highlight will be deleted, and any stories included in it will no longer be visible on your profile.
Editing an Instagram highlight.
Editing an Instagram highlight allows you to change the cover photo or remove stories. Follow these steps to edit your highlights. 1. Go to your profile page on the Instagram app. 2. Tap and hold the highlight you want to edit. 3. In the menu that appears, choose Edit Highlight. 4. Now you have two options. A. To change the cover photo, tap the Edit Cover button. You can select a different photo from the stories included in the highlight or choose an image from your gallery. B. To add or remove stories, tap the Add or Remove buttons respectively. You can select stories from your archive or current stories to include or exclude from the highlight. 5. Once you've made the desired changes, tap Done to save your edits. Your Instagram highlight will now reflect the changes you made, whether it's a new cover photo or an updated selection of stories. That's all you need to know about deleting or editing your Instagram highlights. Whether you want to remove a highlight entirely or customize it with different cover photos and stories, you now have the knowledge to do so. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Take care and happy Instagramming!